Hey y'all, welcome back to Preston's Workshop. We got a really cool accessory that a lot of you Epic E40FX owners and future owners are gonna love. Notice our lights up above and down below on the side and the top of the cart are on. We also have lights in our speakers. Check this out. Oh, the lights are still on. So, I get onto our app to control the lights, and every bit of these are synced. Notice if I turn the colors, it changes all of the lights on the entire cart. If I pick any color pattern, it repeats the same. So these are really cool little plug and play systems. If you want some more lights, and this can go in your speakers, it can go in LEDs under your cart, however you want them. Wheel wells, whatever you want it to be set up as, we can set them up for you. As they go right now, the plug and play system for your speakers is $125, or you can get them installed for $200. If you guys want to do it yourself, it only takes about 15 minutes. It goes right here up under your frunk, right under here. You can see it's 8 screws. Take that out, this plug and plays.